In this video, I am going to show you how you can create and verify your Olymptrade account. I am also going to show you how you can get maximum amount of deposit bonus, not only for the first time you deposit in this platform, but you'll also be able to get deposit bonus when you deposit further in future. I'm also going to show you exactly how you can make maximum of your trade right while doing fixed time trading inside Olymptrade. So watch this video till the end and do not miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And now, without doing any delay, let's get started. As you can see in my screen, it is saying account verification full check and identity confirmed. And if I click on it, then you will see verification complete. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your account on Olymptrade. As you can see at here, olymptrade.com/verification. This means that this account is fully verified and I am not going to have any problem while depositing and withdrawing my funds from inside Olymptrade. And if you haven't verified your account on Olymptrade, then you may face some difficulties while withdrawing your fund from Olymptrade. So that's why it is extremely important to verify your account on Olymptrade. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. Firstly, what I want you to do is just visit to the description of this YouTube video and click on this link. Now what this link will do is, if you don't have an Olymptrade account and if you use this link to create your Olymptrade account, then you will have an opportunity to get up to 100% deposit bonus. That means if you are going to deposit $100, then you are going to get an additional $100. If at the time you are not able to get 100% deposit bonus, then also you can get up to 50, 60, 70, 80% deposit bonus with the link that I am showing you right now. That is in the description of this YouTube video. Not only that much, for the first time you will get a huge amount of deposit bonus, but when you deposit in future, then also you will be eligible to get some deposit bonus in that deposit also, okay, that you make in upcoming days. That's why I would suggest you strongly to use the link that I have given in the description of this video, and this is going to be that exact link. And once you click on this link, then you will see this kind of interface. Now maybe you may see any other kind of interface. That is not a problem. You just need to click on join, register, or whatever it is. If it is also not available at here, then scroll below till the end and you will see this kind of form which you can use to sign up. But if you are already seeing at your join, register now, or that kind of button, then just click on that button and it will make you reach to this form. Now you can use your email address. Okay, make sure to use a fresh email address that you have never used inside Olymptrade. For now, I will be using this email address, and you need to create a password that you can remember. And then click on this checkbox and click on register. Now you can just save the username and password and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can just click on this start training and learn about this platform. Whatever the Olymptrade wants to show you as a beginner, you can watch those things. It will be beneficial for you. But for now, I am not going to go through that route, and I will click on this cross and click on this finish. Now you will have two options. Here you can see time to get serious about trading, make a deposit and start making real profits. So at the time signing up in this account, I am eligible to get up to 50% deposit bonus, but I need to confirm my email address and phone number. Or I can just click on this deposit without a bonus and I don't need to confirm this email address and phone number for now, but later I just need to do this confirmation also, because if I do not confirm my email address and phone number, then I will not be eligible to maybe withdraw fund, or maybe I would face on depositing problems on depositing some fund. So that's why it is important to confirm your email address and phone number. But remember, you can do it later too, okay? But if you did it on a later time, then you may miss this deposit bonus. And the next option is you can trade on demo account for now. So in order to confirm your email address, just click on this confirm email address and just click on this continue. Now if I go to my email, then you can see there is a code that I have received 5513. Now I can simply put that code at here 5513 and click on confirm. So now my email address is verified. It is as simple as that. Now it's time to verify my phone number. So just click on there and now I can put my phone number at here and then click on I am not a robot and click on get the code. So I have received this code and I have also changed the number because the previous number was already used in another account. Now I can click on confirm and confirm my phone number in this way. See, now it is also success. Now you can simply click on continue and now it's time to deposit your money in order to get 50% deposit bonus. Now you can simply click on this deposit with a 50% bonus and you'll see this kind of interface. And you can see if you are going to deposit $30, then you are going to get a bonus as a gift of 15 USD. And you can use this money to trade with real fund. Or what you can do is you can simply click on this deposit amount and then you can either select USD 10 and get 5 USD bonus, or you can use deposit 200 USD and get 100 USD bonus, or you can deposit 300 USD and get 150 bonus. Similarly, if you are going to deposit $2,000, then you are going to get $1,000 bonus, that is huge. Okay, and so on. Here you can see the options. Not only that much, let's say you have like $65 for now, or maybe you have $70 and you don't see any option at here, then you can just type 70 and click on confirm. And you can see you are going to get 35 USD bonus if you are going to deposit 70 USD. Now see, this is actually a first time deposit bonus and you have up to 4 days time to make this deposit. Okay, you don't need to make this deposit immediately in order to grab this bonus, but you have 4 days, okay, time to get this bonus. Make sure to copy this code WYVEZVF or whatever you are seeing at here right now. You just copy that code and save it in your notepad so that you can use it within 4 days if it vanishes from here. So now you have clearly understand about deposit and the first time deposit bonus. So now let's talk about demo account. Maybe some of you don't have any fund, then you can close that. You can close this also and just click on this and click on this demo account so that you can practice your trading. So today the trading is not available. Trading is closed until 8:29 it is saying. But don't worry, I am going to exactly show you how you can trade on Olymptrade and also make maximum amount of right trade while doing fixed time trading. So for now, let's say you have already made your first time deposit and you have deposited your fund and withdraw your fund. Now it is like your second and third time. Okay, when doing your second, third, fourth, fifth time deposit, what you can do is you can just click on this payments and click on this deposit and then scroll below and click on this promo code in order to see what other deposit bonuses that you can get at the time when you are trying to deposit. Okay, in that way you can also keep on getting this kind of deposit bonus again and again inside Olymptrade. So make sure to not forget to check out this promo code section. So now it's time for us to start the verification process and I'm going to exactly show you how you can get this kind of account verification, full check and identity confirm status in this way. So in order to get this kind of status, you just need to click on here firstly and then click on this setting and then click on this personal. Now you can just put your full name at here. In this way and just click on save name. Now you can just click on this upload profile picture and then select the picture that you want to upload and click on open and then click on continue. So now you have kept your name, you have uploaded your profile picture. Now what you can do additionally is you can connect your Facebook, Apple, Google, whatever you want. In case if you want to connect these, okay? But I would suggest you to not connect. If you want to connect your Facebook account, then that's fine, you can do it, but there is no necessary of connecting other things, okay? So once this much is finished, just go back. Now you can just click on this two-factor authentication and you can activate it, and this will help you to protect your account from some hacker or some random person logging in into your Olymptrade account, okay? This is extremely safe, you can do it if you want. And now if you notice, you are not seeing any verification button at here, but if I show you on my already verified account, there is a button that says account verification. And even before I haven't verified this account, there was this button, okay? And the reason this button appears at here and it is not appearing at here is because you have not made your first time deposit. So make sure to keep on trading on demo account, and whenever you are ready to make deposit on your real account, and then once you make a minimum $10 deposit inside your real account, then only you will see your verification button at here. And when you see that verification button, you just need to click on that, and then you will see a button that says contact support, and you just need to tell the support that you want to verify your account, okay? You just need to type a message, I want to verify my account so that I don't face any problem while depositing and withdrawing my funds inside Olymptrade. And then they will send you a special link in order to complete your verification. And you need to do two things, okay? You just need to provide them the identity document, and that would be your citizenship, passport, driving license, whatever you have. You just need to submit that, and you need to take a selfie with that document, okay? For example, if you have a passport, then you can take a selfie with passport, okay? They will provide you the camera, okay? You just need to turn on the front camera either from mobile phone or your desktop, laptop, whatever it is. Just turn that camera on, and in this position you need to take this selfie, okay? And it will snap that selfie, and once that two thing is done, within few minutes your account will be completely verified, and then you will never face any problem while depositing and withdrawing funds. Now finally, it's time for me to show you how you can make maximum of your trade, right? Okay, and for that I have made a special video for you guys, okay? And that video will teach you how you can make maximum of your trade, right? Okay, with proof. And this video is available for absolutely free on YouTube, and I'm going to provide the link of this video, Olymptrade 1 minute trading strategy 99% winning trick. I'm going to provide the link of this video in the description of this video. You can click on it and watch it, and after watching this 5-minute video, you will have a powerful stress-less strategy to do fixed time trading in order to get your trade maximum of the time right inside Olymptrade. So guys, I will see you in my this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.